How to add AI eye contact in captions. In order to add AI eye contact in captions, so let's say you're opening up the Captions app and then you're happening to edit out a certain footage and you want to add the AI eye contact feature. Now, in order to do this, whilst you're editing a certain project, you just have to look at the bottom of the toolbar and scroll it, and towards the bottom right hand side you can see that little option called eye contact. So all you have to do now is tap on this eye contact feature. The only problem, however, over here is that this could be a light feature, which means a premium feature. So after it is done rendering and enhancing the eye contact in your project, you might have to pay a certain amount of nominal fee in order to be able to export it. But either way, this is the way that you can add eye contact in captions. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. As always, thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.